Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere application on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store app, and now in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, tap to close, to OK, and after that you'll see here information about our battery health, and we can see that my battery of our device is in a good condition. Also we can see here more info like the battery capacity, temperature, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info about our OnePlus 11 phone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.